How to install a theme in WordPress. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process of installing a theme or a new theme in WordPress and finding the perfect one for free. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First guys, open a WordPress dashboard. Then after creating your account and verify it with your email address or phone number, just go back and open your WordPress dashboard. Then scroll down to the left side, go directly to appearance, then hit on appearance, then go and hit on themes. Then as you see guys, if you are using a free trial WordPress account, then you need to go and hit and select the free one, because you will not be able to install this theme before buying a plan or picking a plan on WordPress. Then if you are using the free trial and if you are a beginner, I prefer to go to the search bar on the top and hit on free and select the free one on WordPress. Then guys, this is the free theme on WordPress. Then if you are using the store business, the online store or business account or portfolio, then you want just select which platform that you want. Then for example, online store, just hit online store. It will give you a three themes or three free themes to use for your free trial on your WordPress account. Then for example, I prefer to use this one, Author or Moral. Then for example, just this one, because I have already installed this theme. Just go and again hit on this theme and it will take you directly. If you want to demo site, it will say the demo site. Hit on demo site. As you see guys, it's look like better. It's good for a beginners. If you want to, if you don't have if you don't have a plan on WordPress, just select this theme. Then guys, hit on activate. Then if you want to customize the colors, for example this one, this like this or like this, I prefer this one, then hit on activate this design. Then wait a few seconds to unlock premium. Just unlock premium style, then decide lighter, then activate more the theme. Then wait a few seconds to install this theme in your WordPress account. It takes a few seconds, don't worry. It's very easy guys to select and create a new theme on WordPress. As you see guys, the theme is activated successfully. Then go to customize site. Then it will take you directly to customize your site and edit your site and homepage and any pages on your site. As you see guys, wait a few seconds to create your and install your theme on WordPress. Then as you see guys, at the left side there is a navigation, style, pages, template, patrons. As you see guys, if you want to add something, for example, if you want to edit the navigation, navigation section, for example, just hit on navigation. If you want to add a new navigation menu, then go back to styles. If you want to create a new style and change the colors of your theme, then go back and template and pages. If you want to add some pages, as you see guys, you have the home page, blog, home, about. If you want to add a new page, just on the top hit on new page and you can easily create and add a new page to your theme website. Then guys, go back and hit on WordPress. As you see guys, your theme now is available and added successfully to your WordPress account. Then on the left side, just hit on home, my home on the left side. Then it will take you, if you want to view your site in online store. Then if you want to edit your site and write a blog post, promoted blogs, add the pages, add the domain, and then on the left side you will be able easily to customize and edit your site. Then if you want to edit your site, just hit on edit your site. It will take you directly to customize the pictures or anything in your theme WordPress. As you see guys, this is the easy method to customize and select and create a new theme for free on WordPress with the easy method. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.